Welcome to 8433 Corkfield Avenue, a stunning home located in the desirable Lake Nona area of Orlando, Florida. As we take a look around the exterior, you'll immediately notice the beautiful curb appeal, well-maintained landscaping, and the spacious driveway. This home sits in a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood and offers both privacy and charm. From the elegant front elevation to the expansive backyard, every detail has been thoughtfully designed for comfort and style. Let's step inside and explore what makes this property truly special. The gourmet kitchen is a true highlight of this home, featuring stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and plenty of cabinet space. It's perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining guests. The spacious living room is filled with natural light and offers an inviting atmosphere. With its open layout and modern finishes, it's the perfect space for relaxing with family or hosting friends. Adjacent to the kitchen, the formal dining area provides a cozy yet elegant setting for meals and special gatherings. This home includes 3 beautifully designed bathrooms, offering a mix of modern design and functionality. The master bathroom features a soaking tub, separate shower, and dual vanities, ideal for your daily routines and self-care moments. The additional bathrooms are equally stylish and well-appointed for family or guests. The primary bedroom is a private retreat, complete with ample space, soft lighting, and a serene ambience to help you unwind. Step outside to enjoy your private pool, perfect for cooling off during Florida summers or entertaining on the weekends. Beyond the main features, this home offers even more to love. A spacious laundry room, walk-in closets, flexible bonus rooms, and a covered patio for outdoor living. From the architectural details to the thoughtful floor plan, every inch of this home is built for both comfort and elegance. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional home in one of Orlando's most sought-after communities. Contact your agent today and schedule a private showing.